Scientists once heard an underwater sound so loud, they thought it came from a sea monster. In 1997, an ultra-low frequency sound called the bloop was detected in the Pacific Ocean. It was so powerful it could be heard thousands of miles away. Many speculated it was from a massive unknown creature, but later studies suggest it came from icebergs cracking. Still, some believe we haven't discovered everything lurking in the deep. Do you think something unknown is still down there? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more deep sea mysteries.